Hello guys! Ayan, tipid ganda ba? Pero glossy skin ang resulta. Naku, tapusin nyo tong video na to guys. Kailangan mo lang mag-prepare ng instant coffee, egg whites, calamansi or lemon, tsaka baking soda. So ayan guys, i-mix mo lang yan. Ayan, so ready na tayo. Lalagay natin sa mukha. Ayan. Alam nyo ba yung benefits ng egg, guys? Ito yun. Tone your skin. Egg whites firm your skin by removing excess dirt, oil, and dead cells in your face. Remove unwanted facial hair. Firm and shrink your pores. Reduce puffiness under your eyes. Rid your face of blemishes. Minimize on the skin. Protect your face from UV rays. Eliminate blackheads. Alam nyo ba yung benefits ng kape? Coffee may help reduce the apparent on the skin, calming effects, anti-aging benefits, vitamin B3 for skin cancer, reduce inflammation, acne treatment, dark circles, after sun care. So, ayan, after 15 to 20 minutes, guys, tinanggal ko na siya. So, talaga kailangan siyang matuyo para pag tinanggal mo, madali lang din. So, kung nagtitipid ka dyan, guys, ito yun. Ito na yung tinihintay mo. Yung DIY Egg Coffee Face Mask. Ayan, babalawan lang natin yan siya, guys. Ayan. This is it. Ayan guys, ito na yung resulta. Talagang lumambot, tsaka naging glossy skin. Nabinat talaga guys yung balat ko. Tingnan nyo. Kaya try nyo na. Thank you so much.